I'm happy to announce that theoryofeverything.io is now up. This is the simulator of the universe's fractal pattern. You can go see it for yourself. I made a few changes before pushing this up. First off, the controls have been reorganized. Another addition is that help was introduced. At the end, you can see things to try recreating. Another change is that the phone UI was added. Only vertical orientation is supported at this time. You can tap on pan to move the camera, and on the left are the zoom controls. To start, I recommend trying to recreate a particle with mass. You can easily do it using the default settings. So keep in mind that this simulator is still very close to the proof of concept. When I made the proof of concept, I knew there were deficiencies in it, but I also saw that it was good enough to demonstrate the fractal pattern. So what I'm going to do now is go through and add updates that make this thing a lot more accurate to how I think things really work. And be sure to like and subscribe if you want to follow along.